Everyone, I'm back with another video. Today we're going to talk about how to find reliable drop shipping suppliers. This is a critical step for any drop shipping business, so I'm going to give you some tips and advice and share some of my own experiences. When I first started my drop shipping business, I made a lot of mistakes when choosing suppliers. I didn't do enough research and I ended up working with some suppliers who were unreliable and didn't provide good customer service. This caused me a lot of headaches and stress. But over time, I learned how to find reliable dropshipping suppliers. Here are some of the things I learned. It's important to do your research. Read reviews from other dropshippers and look for suppliers with a good reputation. You can also use online directories and marketplaces to find suppliers. Next is communicate with potential suppliers before you start working with them. Ask them questions about their products, shipping times, and customer service policies. Get a sense of how responsive they are and how willing they are to work with you. Next is to request product samples. This is a great way to ensure that the products you are selling are of high quality. It's also a good way to test out the supplier's shipping and fulfillment process. Next is compare pricing and terms from multiple suppliers. You want to find a supplier that offers competitive prices and terms. Next is consider the supplier's growth potential. You want to choose a supplier that can grow with your business. Make sure the supplier has the capacity to handle a high volume of orders. And lastly, watch out for red flags. Be wary of suppliers that offer unrealistic deals or have a history of poor customer service. These are warning signs that you should avoid the supplier. Finding reliable dropshipping suppliers is essential for any successful dropshipping business. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of finding suppliers that will help you achieve your goals. Remember, your relationship with your suppliers is key to your success. Take your time and choose suppliers that you trust and that you can build a long-term relationship with. So here are some additional tips. Don't be afraid to negotiate with suppliers. If you're placing a large order, you may be able to get a better price on the products or shipping. Next is consider working with multiple suppliers. This can help to reduce your risk and ensure that you always have a backup supplier in case one of your suppliers has a problem. And lastly, build relationships with your suppliers. Get to know them and their business. This will help to ensure that they prioritize your orders and provide you with the best possible service. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. I'm so grateful for your time and for watching how to find reliable dropshipping suppliers. See you in my next video.